I grew up in a small business family, and I know that cash flow and isolation create a lot of friction. So when I started my business, I knew I needed to get out and go and meet people. I needed to have a continual pipeline, and I needed knowledge to make things happen. YTM is a supportive community that helps business owners and professionals learn, grow and achieve. Why did I start YTM? I was attending a lot of networking events, but I found that I was wasting a lot of time. I wasn't having the sort of conversations that I felt would lead anywhere, and I needed more knowledge. So our events are focused on helping you learn about yourself and others and the knowledge you need to build your business, opportunities to grow personally and professionally, and to generate business, and to achieve whatever it is that matters to you. So we invite you to join us, either as a member or a non-member, but you really should sign up for our alerts so you don't miss out.